Alright guys, it's the Macintosh guy and we're back again with a new video. Now today we're going to be looking at a unboxing of something that came out nearly a year ago, and we're expecting a new version to come out in a couple of days, but I thought it'd be interesting to pick one of these up and see what all the hype was. So we're going to be looking at the Pixel 8 Pro. Now the Pixel 9 Pro is going to be coming out in a couple of days, as I just mentioned, but I thought it'd be very nice to have one. I've not had a Pixel 8 device at all, and a lot of hype was given by a lot of big YouTubers. So let's unbox it and have a look at how it looks. So as you can tell, the device is in porcelain colour. There's a bit of information about the device. It's a Pixel 8 Pro. It is a 6.7 inch screen, 170mm, 128 gig model. As I mentioned, it's porcelain coloured, so very similar to what iPhone boxing is. But let's get straight into unboxing it. So and there it is. It's a Pixel 8 Pro. Now straight away, the first thing I realised is there was a black mark on the phone itself. We've taken that off and it looks really nice. Now let's just take the device out of the box and let's see what's in it. So we see there's an adapter for USB-C, there's a USB-C cable, and then we also have a Google documentation, which I presume has the SIM card tray. Oh, it's actually just the booklet itself. Yeah, I can feel the SIM card tray right here. So I know nobody's interested in having a look at that, so let's just put that to the side. Now let's just get a glimpse at this beautiful looking phone. It's very light compared to the iPhone. Let me just get the iPhone. We'll do a quick side by side. So just got the iPhone 15 Pro Max, a side by side comparison. So as you can tell, there is a difference. It's got like a shiny stainless steel housing. The camera bump is obviously massive. I've got a protector on my camera bump, but you can tell there's a massive side-by-side comparison. On there, the camera bump on the iPhone is smaller compared to the Pixel 8 Pro, it seems. But I like it. I like this device. It's very nice and light. But yeah, Pixel 8 Pro, very interesting to be picking one of these up. Now let's take this off now. Ta-da! It actually looks very sleek. Quite nice. Nice and shiny and smooth. So let's see if there's any battery on the device. And there is no battery. So I will get this charged up and then we'll boot to the home screen and just see how it is. Now, as you can tell, we're on the home screen of the Pixel 8 Pro, and it is quite different. It's very stock Android. Obviously it's made direct from Google, so you're expecting differences. Now if you're looking at the quality of things, it is way better. For the Pixel 8 Pro, it even shooting 4K is a really good bloody shout. So yeah, you can just toggle all the options when you're clicking down here. And it gives you all the options of 4K, ultra high resolution, 60 FPS or 30 FPS. Yeah, it's just Google have done a really good job. I think they probably have one of the best cameras out on the market. Now they've also got indicators as well. So when you're using a camera app, also it will give you indication when your audio and camera is being utilized. And overall, guys, it's a solid device. If you're looking for something on a daily basis, I think the Pixel 8 Pro is the way to go. I'm finding it difficult about the flat display that they've got going on. The Pixel 9 Pro is when it's going to look similar to iPhone, and I think that's what a lot of the companies are doing. They're copying Apple now, where people used to say that Apple is copying them. But I feel like a lot of these companies are now just copying Apple. But yeah, guys, this is just a quick overview of the Pixel 8 Pro. I don't really need to do an in-depth on it. There's many videos out there. It was mainly just to do a slight unboxing and just a little side-by-side comparison with the iPhone. So guys, if you enjoyed it, catch you in the next one.